Let's see if it would strong. Let's see. It says I'm live. Hopefully that's true. Hopefully that's true. Okay, let me go. This and this. It says I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Okay. So hi guys, welcome to Algorethm. If it's your first time, you can give me a sub. I don't know if this will work. This is my first time streaming, so I don't know if it will work. Let me try something first. Let me try something first. What did I want to try? I wanted to text. See if it works. Hey guys. Okay. That one works. For the first timers, subscribe. Hopefully the stream will go on well. Khalid, I don't know if I'll do the manual testing since this is the first time I want to try on Netflix, so I'm not really sure. So what I wanted to show first is this. Sometimes when I open Kali and I'm using virtual machine, as you can see there's some things missing. So for that I always open the terminal first and I write XFWM4. This is like let's say it refreshes the Linux. As you can see now, these stuff are here. Okay, and Khalid, welcome to the channel. I don't know if you're a subscriber or not, but welcome to the channel. If any other person is on the channel, you can do a sub or just say hi, say hi, say hi. Let me try to record this first. Let me try to record this. Okay. Now let's get back. I hope the audio is good. I really hope the audio is good. So we'll go to Hackerone. Go to Hackerone. I hope I'm not logged out. I hope I'm not logged out. I do hope I'm not logged out. Oh no, I'm logged out. So what I'll do, it'll give me a minute, I log in, then I'm not taking away the stream, but I'm taking away the view because I don't want people to disturb me for my logins. Just a minute as I'm signing in, then I'll bring it up. I'll bring it back up. I'll bring it back up. Still loading, still loading, still loading. Still loading. Okay, let's sign in. I've only done this because my email is showing on the sign in, so I can't show you my email. Okay, I think that's good. So I'll bring back the view. What was it? Okay, full screen. Then I want to search for Netflix. I want to search for Netflix. If you're in the stream, say hi. And I hope the audio is good. Netflix. I want to search for Netflix. So Netflix has 8 wildcards. Oh, that's a big scope. As that is loading, if you are not in the Telegram channel, join up. Join up. Join up. Join up. Okay, so we're here. We are here. If anybody's in the stream, how's the audio? I don't have a microphone, so don't even know how the audio is. But let's see. Okay, I just want the scope. Don't want nothing else, just want the scope. I already read through the program guidelines. So let's look for these wildcards. So first I'll open the terminal. Maybe I'll rename it to, I'll rename this tab to Netflix. So say Netflix. And maybe let's change its color. This is just for fun, doesn't even have any reason to it. Okay, so I'll go into my directory. Let me just add this bit. Go into my directory, documents, then my stuff, I do them in the box. Okay, if we realize, we'll see the Ford, Netflix, and Tinder. How do I have Netflix already? Don't think I did anything on Netflix. I didn't do anything on Netflix. Okay, so let's start this. So I'll make a directory, another directory. I'm going to nano wildcards. .txt. So in here I'll put in the wildcards. So I'll go back here, take this, come here, paste it. Next line. It said it has 8, so let's look for the others. So here. Shit. Copy. Control C. Control C. And Control Shift V. Let's look for the other ones. Or should I just do this because these are the primary targets? Secondary target, the secondary targets. D. So that's 2. And we'll take also this. Okay. We'll take also this. I won't touch on this. And is the other one? This one. I hope the stream is smooth. No problems. If you are in the stream, please tell me, because I don't want to stream like for an hour and the stream is bad. So please tell me. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Let's take the 7th one. This one. No. I think that's the last one. I don't want to take the 8th one. Yeah, that's the last one. The 8th one is this one, or is it this one? But I don't want to take this one. I know it's an API, but I want to leave it for now. So Control X, Y, and Enter. So if we cut the wildcards, we have this. So what is happening? Let me close that first. Hello Abu Bakr. How is the stream? Is the audio good or is the video good? You know, I can't watch and do what I'm doing at the same time. So please tell me how it is. Is the audio good? Is the video good or bad? So we'll see debug into the documents, then the box and Netflix. Okay, so we have our wildcards. These are them. So the first things first, I'll open another terminal here. Maybe that will go back into the CD and we cut the cheat file. This cheat file, I know a lot of you have been requesting it. I keep on adding new stuff every day, so I don't know I don't know when I'll finish it, but if you want it the way it is, I can still give it to you. Let's get back to this. So Abubakar says, of course I have earned. I can't do something that that I haven't earned. Though the last that I earned was a low severity one, so I was given like $200. It's not much, but it's something. It's something. It's something. Okay. So first things first, I'll look for the subdomains. Should I use sublister or subfinder? Let me use subfinder. H. Okay, so the output string is -o and -d-dl. Okay, so I'll use subfinder. What's happening this thing? Okay, subfinder. Why am I not able to type this word? Subfinder -dl. Then we'll use the wildcards.txt, then -o. Let's just call it subs.txt. Okay, we'll let subfinder run. There's a deleted message. Don't know who texted and what he said, but I have sent you message request on Insta. I haven't checked my Insta today, so I'm not sure, but I'll check it. Or rather, let me check it right now and see. Let me check it right now and see where's the Insta. Let me check it right now. So it's enumerating the subdomains. Let's just rename this again. Netflix. So it has found 14 subdomains for how do you call this? .com. Oh, I'm checking my Insta. Bakal. Checking my Insta. Yes, I see your request. Let me just accept it. Let me just accept it. Abubakar, I've accepted your Insta request. You can check that later on. Maybe you can talk more later on. Let's get back to this Netflix. So 90 domains for production of Netflix, and for the cloud 12 subdomains. Let's wait for this. I knew it will be too much, but whatever. Have you found bug bounties before? Yes, I have. Like I was saying, the last one that I found was a low severity one, so I was paid like $200. Just $200. Yeah, I have found some. But I can tell you it's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy. People just keep saying they want to find bugs, but it ain't as easy as people think. It ain't as easy. So let's keep on waiting for this. For this. Oh, this is too much. And I feel like SO has too much. Don't know if they're repeating themselves or they're different ones. Let's see. Thanks a lot, brother. Can you explain in short pathway to be professional? I'm learning from Hack the Box. I don't think there's one way to learn bug bounty. The only thing you have to know is don't stop reading. Don't never stop reading, and you have to read everything. Even if you don't understand them, read everything. Like for example, for me, I recently went back to start reading this certified ethical hacking book. It's about 3,000 pages, and I'm worried on when I'll finish it. Let's see. Let's clear first. Then I want to know how many there are, so we'll cut. Okay, subs.txt, then I'll do the piping through the word count -l. There are 13,620. Oh, and if we cut them, this is everything of IP. So what I'll do, because I'm not sure if some of them are repeating, I'll do what's it called? Let me clear first. I'll do where is it? A new, yeah. What a new does is it will collect when you have similar links, it will remove all of them and leave one. Don't know if that's understandable. So we'll cut the subs. Well, first let me show you. The word count is 13,620. Then we'll cut the subs, place them through a new and into the filtered subs.txt. Let a new run its work. What would you recommend? What should I read and practice? Have you done CTF? There are a lot of CTFs online. Like OverTheWire, even Hack the Box I think has one. Try Hack Me also has one. Mostly try the Hack the Box. And first, let me ask this, Abubakar. What do you want to hack? Do you want to hack web? Do you want to hack Android? Do you want to hack hardware? What do you want to hack? Let me start from there. What do you want to hack? So if we cut, let me start from there. What do you want to hack? Say filtered. Oh, still that. So meaning it hasn't even changed. That's also good. Okay. So next we have all these subdomains, 13,000 of them. We've placed them into the clear. We've placed all these 13,000 into the filtered subs. So what now we want to do is we want to probe them and see if all these subdomains respond to either HTTPS or HTTP. So we'll use HTTP probe. HTTP probe. Okay, so we'll do filtered filtered. What is happening? Let's say cut filtered subs.txt. Then we run them through http probe. Let me see if there's a flag I can use. -c -p. Okay, let's just do that. http probe, and I can probably use httpx, but http probe runs a bit faster. So let's see, http probe. Then we'll put them into let's say live probe subs.txt. Okay, you want to be a pro web bug hunter. So if you want to hack web, the first thing you have to know is HTML. I hope you have knowledge in HTML, and JavaScript is somewhat important also. Just have some knowledge in HTML and JavaScript. Those are the two main ones. Then now the general in bug hunting, you have to learn one scripting language, let's say like Python or Bash scripting. So you can try one of the two. And also you can try also Go. I see a lot of people using Go, like Tom Nom Nom is using Go to write all his scripts, so you can learn also Go. But remember, if you want to try or to do web hunting, you have to learn the language that makes the web, and that's HTML and JavaScript. Those are the two main things you have to know first. Then after that, now you try the CTF. I hope you have knowledge in HTML. I hope you have knowledge in HTML. Probe is still running. Here we can do, I don't know, should I use HTTPX? Maybe I can use HTTPX. So we'll cut the, oh no, I changed the units. So we'll go into the documents, then the box, then Netflix. Then let me just take this. Then what we'll do is we'll cut the filtered subs, then run them through httpx. Let's see first the help. Where is it? I'm going to use IP. Maybe the tech detect. What else can I use here? IP. What else can I use? You can output it. Okay. What else? Okay, so we'll do dash td dash IP. Maybe let me also use dash status code. Is there anything else I like to use? Let me see here. http probe. Okay, httpx, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Can't seem to find it. It's supposed to be one of the top ones here, but it's okay. What else can I use here? Okay, status code, location. Okay. Okay, so this is what we'll use. Then we'll output it into httpx results, then we run it. How is my httpx updated? I just updated it the other day. Yeah, I'm continuously learning. I'm thinking to start solving all labs of POC. Should I go for it or first learn? Do you have any knowledge in HTML? Do you have any knowledge in HTML? Let me ask that first. It's not, but it is. I wanted to say it's not important, but it is. But if you're already learning through POC, you can try out the labs, because the labs use mostly Linux. Though yes, you'll have to know about the HTML sooner or later on. But answer me first. Do you have any knowledge in HTML or JavaScript? So these two are taking too long. Let me exit this one. So here, this is still running. It's taking too long because of the 13,000 subdomains. Let's see. Cut filtered. I want to see if I can get something here from the top. Or maybe should I do away with some of these? I think I want to reach up to here. Only this. Because it will take longer than I want it to. Oh no. What is happening? Okay, let it finish. Can't worry about that. So here first I'll stop this. So Control C. And also I'll stop this because it's taking rather too long. So I'll exit this first. Then I'll clear this. Maybe exit this one. So here, let's just run httpx. So first of all, I'll nano reduced subs.txt. I'm doing away with all the other ones, so I just want to try these ones. I don't even know how much they are. So Control X, Y, and Enter. We can cut them and see how many they are. So cut, copy through the word count -L. 117. No, okay, that's not too much. So we'll do httpx. So we'll cut, then httpx, the status code, IP, and maybe detect the text. So the tag used, so it was DD, I think. Then we'll put it out into the let me say httpx results.txt. Then we'll let it run and we'll see how much we can gather from it. Yeah, I have learned uh, okay, if you've learned JavaScript, that's good. A lot of the web applications use JavaScript, but you also have to know HTML because for things like HTML injection and you have to know about the headers and everything else. So you still have to learn HTML, but you can still do the box challenges without prior knowledge to HTML, as long as you know what you're doing and what you have been learning from. You said puts trigger. Yes. If you know what you are doing, you're going to. Let me see this. How come I only have 2 with 200? Only 2. But that's what I get for cutting it out. Let's just test those two. Um, so we'll cut httpx result.txt and then we grep 200. We only have these two, but this one looks interesting. Let's see. Let's open it and see. And if you don't mind, can you share sources of learning? Sources of learning HTML and Java. On YouTube, there's what was his name? There's Codemosh, I think. Codemosh, CODE, then MOSH, I think. But if you want to learn online, there's Free Code Camp. I think they teach. I think they teach. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Free Code Camp. I'm not sure if they teach Java, but I think they teach the JavaScript, but I think they teach it. So this opened up something here. Don't know what it is. Let's try to open it and see. It has nothing in it. Come on, open up. Okay, so free. Shoot. This is what I tell you guys every day. I have a very shitty laptop. Just look up here. The CPU is going very crazy. Very crazy. And I don't know my fan, but my fan is very anything here on this one. Oh, I was checking the code camp. So code camp, and also on that note I can open YouTube and you will see YouTube. Why is it not typing? Let's open YouTube and you'll see. I'm going to show you the way I learned it from YouTube. But though in uni I learned HTML and some few JavaScript. Oh shit. And I was just about to say it's taking longer than usual. um, I don't know why this took. It's forcing me to use the other one. It's forcing me to use the other one. While we are looking for sources to learn HTML, maybe I can leave the HTTPX to run through the filtered subs. the txt, maybe let's say to place it into the results, or let me just say httpx results 2. Okay, let that run. Let's get back to this. You can see it. As you can see, they're saying learn to code for free, build projects and earn certifications. This is one of the best sites. Let me see if they have JavaScript. C# is there, and here it is, JavaScript algorithms and data structures. You can learn here JavaScript, and also you can learn Python if you haven't learned Python. On YouTube, I don't know if YouTube is open. Let's say I think is it Code Mosh or Code with Mosh? I think Code with Mosh. Code with Mosh. I think that's his name. I'm not really sure. So this HTTPX is still running. The other 200, this one, let's see this one. I never felt so. I don't know if it's only for, I see mostly with, this is Java, there's this HTML tutorial for beginners. You can check it out. His account is Programming with Mosh, as you can see. You can check it out. Something downloaded. Something downloaded. Let's see. From this. So I want to run Burp Suites, but if I run Burp Suites, I don't know if my CPU will handle it. But as you can see, this guy, this is like my teacher for programming. I've learned a lot from this guy. You can check him out. He's Programming with Mosh. He has different courses, like you see, Python full course, Java, HTML is there, SQL is there, even React, and here is JavaScript tutorials. You can check it out. Abubakar, did you get it? Did you get it? I hope you got it. I hope you're still in the stream. You're still in the stream. So, from these two, the asset one and help one, when you run it, something downloads. So I want to try to intercept it and see how it works. But first, before I intercept it with Burp, I'm going to still here. I'm going to check out with curl. So here I'll clear first. Then I'm going to toss this one assets. So we copy. Then we curl it -I. Somebody told me that this method is not good. It's not a good method, but I like doing it before trying out Burp Suite. Then maybe we can do -V and see what it tells us. So the host, it is on port 443. We have its IP address here. failed connection, connected on this one. (791.1). Okay, it connected on this one on port 443. Then okay, and look here, we have a path here of HC, SSL, and SATs. We can try this one out and see what happens. We go here, then we'll do that. And we'll see what it will bring to us. Okay, handshake, okay, server certificates. Nginx. The content length is 0. I guess if we even try to use BAP on it, it will still be 0. Oh, no worries, brother. You're good. You can try them out and see where it will take you. But remember, read everything. Read everything. If you find, maybe like, let me show you something. Like you can come up here to exploit DB. Go through it. If you don't know about Google Docking, go through it. If you don't know about BAP, go through it. Read everything. There are, I don't know if it's this exploit DB or what, but there's a site that where people post the reports or the disclosures about hacking. I don't remember what it's called. Don't remember what it's called. You guys can check this out and read it. It has some good exploits. It has some very good exploits. Where are we? We are here. So it's not found. Let's try to remove that. Let's try to the SSL. And what I've realized in bugbounty, most of it is just trial and error. Let's say something like password, passwd, they're not found. I can see some are still being found here, but it's not finished yet. It is not finished yet. I should have filtered out the 4.3 ones, but it's okay. Let's clear this first. You know, I'm passing time because HTTPX is still running, and I want it to finish running so that I can filter out some links. But before that, what can I do? Assets, Netflix. So we can take this link, come here. We can do a dual search on it. So we'll do the search -u, I think. Let me see. The search. Come on. So we'll do -u. We want to use only a URL. Then we'll use a -w for a word list. I'm going to use the setlist word list. Then we can also do -i. Separated by commas. I will only do 200. or we can, yes, I'll only do 200, or we can just leave it out and let it just do its thing. What else can I add here? -O for the output. So we'll clear first, then we dash search -u, then we put our link in there, then we do a -w and a -o. -o will be for the output, so we'll do the search results.txt. So for the word list, I said I'm going to use the setlist word list. So my setlist word list is in /user /share setlists, I think. I don't remember the I think web options. What's the path? So let me just do Shift D and right here setlists. Yeah, so I want to go to discovery here. So I'll use discovery. Then if we cd into the discovery, we have the web content. Then inside the web content, we have all these. So what I want to use, where is it? It's called directory something. Default directory lists. I think I'll just use a small one because the big one has like a million words in it. So I'll use the small one, directory list 2.3. So we'll use directory list dash lowercase 2.3 small.txt. Then we'll run it. We will run it. Activity talking about. I don't even remember what I was saying when you asked that question. I don't remember. So what we are doing, or what I've been doing for the past, I don't even know how long it's been. For the past 53, oh man, it's 53 minutes. Damn. It's just, we are still collecting, or we are still in the recon phase, and recon is very, very important. You have to do it. Recon is very, very important. So this, oh no, I used the small one as 81,000. There was a problem in the request. Let's open this and see what it has. .php. What you trying to do? We're trying to do a recon on Netflix. We're doing a recon on Netflix. I hope my internet is not bad and I hope the quality is good. We're doing a recon on Netflix. What we have done so far is we've found the subdomains, and now I'm probing all the subdomains. There were 13,000 and something subdomains. I'm probing them to see which one responds to the HTTPS or HTTP. Like this one, all the 200 ones means they respond to HTTPS or HTTP. In this case, it's HTTPS, and they are running on Nginx, and we also have their IP addresses. Then on this side, I had taken one of the 200 status code ones and tried to run it through a word list, a small word list that has 81,000. But here it says there was a problem. So I'm not sure what this does, so that's what I'm looking for right now here. What is happening? Rather, let me take it, go in here. Let's see. So we'll do here at the end -v, then at the beginning we call it -i. Let's see what it will tell us. I think the HTTPX is almost finished, but I'm not sure. Could not resolve host. Is it my internet or what is happening? Is it my internet? Maybe it may be my internet. I haven't used FFuf yet, but it's on the way, it's on the way. Oh yes, let me use FFuf instead of using DashSearch because I don't see if DashSearch is working for me. Let me use FFuf. Is it possible to decrypt? Hmm? Is possible to decrypt HTTPS network traffic? Is that a question? Is that a statement? I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure by what you mean. Is it possible to decrypt HTTP? What's his name? HHZ. I don't know if you're asking a question or I'm not really sure. So wealthy mindset, wealthy mindset frame. My internet speed. In the country I am, the internet is very. The internet providers are very like. Don't even know what to call them. So probably my internet is the problem. Hi Bre, Bree. Is it Bree or Bre? I'm not really sure. Let's use FFuf. So to use FFuf, what is happening? Oh yeah. So clear this first. I want to take all of this. I want to here. So use FFuf. Shoot. What's that? Is it dash u? Let's see. FFuf. Header. Let me just say cut my cheat file. FFuf is somewhere here. So I'll just copy it. paste it down here. So FFuf URL, path to word list, yada yada yada. So come back here to the assets, copy it, come back here. So we'll go back here, delete this. Okay, that's good. Then here, path to the word list. I'll use this again. I'm using the setlists word list. Then here, we'll go here, clear this. Then, should I still use the small one or the... Let me use the small one. So, directory list, lowercase 2.3 small .txt. Then let's run it and see what FFuf gives us. What is happening? Oh, these are the 200 ones. Okay. We are good. I think. I'm new to CTF and bug bounty hunting. You have any tips with solving? Like maybe, I don't know. Which site have you gone to? Because one of the easiest CTF to do is OverTheWire. Go to overthewire.org or .com. On OverTheWire, then you can do the natas. Natas is pretty simple. Let me see. You can try to do the natas. So the CPU is still going crazy. OverTheWire. OverTheWire. I don't know if it's .org. Let me just search it on Google and see. Let me search it on Google and see. It's not obvious, or is it? Yes. So if you search OverTheWire, it's .org. I like the natas one. The natas one is more of beginner-like. Let's just open it and I'll show you what I mean by it. It open. Here progress is 10,000 of 489,000. Oh, that's too much. But let it run and we'll see. I didn't even save it out, or did I? Oh, no. Let's hope for the best. What is happening in this terminal? I can't believe HTTPX is still running. So OverTheWire still hasn't opened. Make sure you go try this natas. Natas is a bit simple, but not really. You know what I mean. Okay, so this is natas. While HTTPX is still running, what we can do, I can tell you about. Maybe I can show you some few of this. So natas has from level 0 all the way to don't know if it's level 33. Oh no, it still goes on. I think the last one is level 34. I'm not sure. So for Natos, for the first one, you can copy this link, or just, I think if you press here also it will take you to it, but you can copy this link. Again, my CPU is going crazy, so some of the things in this virtual machine are very hard to control. If you haven't given me a sub, please sub, please. So let's take this Natos 0 here. Wealthy mindset from, I hope you are still with me, because I'm showing you this. So go here, paste it and go to it. I hope you're still with me. So here it says the username is Natos0 and the password is Natos0. So let it open. So it will prompt you this here, and you have been told to write Natos0. And also for the password, Natos0. Then you sign in. Okay, don't save. So when you sign in, don't know if it shows something or it's still loading up here. Okay, it says you can find the password for the next level on this page. So this is what its CTF is. If you start on level 0, if you want to get to level 1, you must find the password hidden in level 0. When you get to level 1, if you want to get to level 2, you must find the password written in level 1. So for example, here. So what you will do, you can right click and head over to view the page source. Not even view the page source. Or that is still correct. So here it has been written the password for Natos1 is this. So you have to copy all of this and copy it. That is the password for. You see how easy the first one is. First one is very easy. Then you'll come here and change this 0 to 1. Then run it again. I'm not really sure if I've copied the password. Let me just inspect it. I don't think I copied the password. I just highlighted it. So you'll copy this and then you come back here. So for the username of Natos1, you just write Natos1 and the password is the password that we've copied. Paste it and sign in. Don't save. Don't save it. Don't save it. So this is Natos1. It says you can find the password for the next level on this page, but right clicking has been blocked. If I try to right click, mine still shows. I don't know why. Or maybe is it broken? I'm not sure. But or maybe it's because I'm using Linux. But if you try to right click and it doesn't open, and if you are a beginner, you'll start wondering what is happening. So what you'll do, you can press Ctrl Shift and I. It will bring you here, and most of the Natos quests are inside the body, so don't go outside of the body like going to the head. It won't help you. So you can try here content, and you see the password for Natos2 is this. Then you copy it. You copy it. Then here you come here, change it to 2. No. Change it to 2 and run it. I'm going to show you just up to 2. Then for 3 going forwards, until I think you should do it yourself because I can't spoon feed you. Can't spoon feed you. Is it running? I don't think it's running. Okay, now it's running. So to answer your question, try CTFs on Potswigger, or try Hack.me, or Hack the Box. Mostly Hack the Box. Hack the Box is very, very commendable. So we'll do nightas 2, and down here we'll do we'll paste the password and sign in. We'll paste the password and sign in. What is happening? Nightas 2. Or did I forget to copy it again? It's running, so I think we've done it. Nope. Ah, shit. I think the password I have is still for Natas1. So we'll come here. We'll go back to Natas1 first. So let's see if we inspect it, or maybe if I just view it, maybe this will be better. Maybe this will be better. Let's see. Password for Natas2 is this. I think it's copied. PLI. Yes, it's copied. So we'll come here, go back to the Natas2. I want to show you the one for Natas2 because it's a bit different than this. It's not easy for a beginner. So Natas2, then enter, then let it run. For anyone else who has any questions, you can ask. I'm free to answer any questions. Oh, I hadn't refreshed my chat, so I haven't seen these accounts. I used to hype me, I want to improve. Can you give me tips on review? I think I've done this, but I haven't completed them. Why don't you work in a company as a pen tester? The problem why I don't work as a pen tester in a company is because the country I'm living in, jobs do not come as easy. Jobs do not come as easy. What is happening? Is it my internet or what? Problem loading. I really hope the internet is not cut off. Okay, so we're here. So Natas 2. Control V. And if you say that I should try remote work, I have tried those. What is happening? Why isn't it logging in? Ain't it logging in? Not us. Oh, I'm writing Nata instead of Natas. Natas 2, then you paste the password, then sign in. Don't save. Don't save. Ha! You guys are out of luck. I don't know why it ain't opening, and I'm using its password. Why am I not using its password? This was the password here. This was the password. And why ain't it opening? Natas 2. So sign in. Don't save. I think it has opened. Yeah. So they're trying here to get us off track. So this is the last one I'll do, then you can try the other ones. So there's nothing on this page, right? Even if we do an inspect, or let's say we view the page source, we'll see there's no password in here. But there's an image source, files, then pixel.png. So we'll copy this. What is happening? No. So it was files, then pixel.png. Maybe I'll just write it. So here we have a directory called files. Then it was pixel.png. PNG. So if you open that, you can see here in the middle there is a pixel somewhere here. So this also doesn't help us. So we'll just delete this. Since this is a directory called files, maybe there's something juicy in it. We'll go back. Then hit enter. Keep going, that's how you learn. Yes, that's true. Just have to keep going. I'm asking like how do I approach a CTF box and trying to solve them? Do I think I should I do more recon than brute forcing with word list, or should I try by X? When it comes to CTF, it depends what you're working on. Not all CTF work the same. When it comes to like real life sites like the one I've been doing today, the Netflix one, you have to start by Recon, because if you don't start by Recon, you won't get anywhere. But when it comes to the capture the flag ones, most of them are specific to what they need. Some use CTF, most of them are just for learning. Some will teach you about CTF. Oh, here is the password for Natas 3. So you can try that. You can try all I've done and go on with Natas 4, 5, up to 34. To answer the wealthy question, the CTFs are different. CTFs are different. CTFs are different. There are different cases. How come these two haven't finished yet? And I'm getting even tired. Where are you guys from? Because from where I am, it's 2:47 a.m. Don't know what your time is wherever you are. If you are in the chat, write where you are from. Not where you are from, just write what your time is right now. Just write what your time is right now. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Oh, today I'm done. Today. We have over 13,000 subdomains, of which most of these don't even work. Oh shit. So it's about practice. Yes, it's about practice and practice and practice. And don't forget about the theory part, because you have to read everything. That's what I tell everybody. Read everything. If you find a new blog on SQL injection, read about it, because technology changes daily. So read about everything. Read about everything. So what I'm thinking, this stream has gone for over how many minutes? Here it's saying I started streaming 82 minutes ago. So the stream has gone over 82 minutes. I don't know if I should stop, because I don't think this HTTPX is finishing right now, or even if this FFuf is finishing right now, because I still see it's at 100,000. Yes, it's at 100,000 and it's supposed to be at 400,000. So I don't think they're finishing right now unless I cancel them. So what do you guys want to do? Do you want to stop it from here today, or should we continue a bit? Tell me what you want to do. Maybe I can even stream tomorrow again. So that depends on you. That depends on you. What do you guys want to do? Do you want to continue, or should we continue from tomorrow? Because I sleep, like I said, it's 2 a.m. It's almost 3 a.m. in the morning. So I don't know what you guys want to do. Come on guys, come on guys. Come on guys, I'm waiting for your answer. So, I can't see anybody answering me. Oh, it's okay. Well, let's see. A recap of today. So, what we did today, let me just clear and let me go into the documents, then the box, then Netflix, then clear, then FLS, FLS, this is what we have. Resume CFG so cut. It's okay. So we clear it first, and let's do this tomorrow. Okay, so but before I go, let me recap what we've done today. So We went into Hackerone, we found some wildcards. There are 8 wildcards on Netflix, but I took only 7. I left one of them. Don't see it here. Where is it? Okay, doesn't really matter. I left one of them, went into the terminal. We did some domain enumeration, and we found we took the wildcards and did subdomain enumeration on them, and we found the subs.txt. There were 13,620, I think. I tried filtering them, thinking that maybe there are some repetitions, but there weren't. So the filtered subs still has 13,000 and something. Let's see. Cut filtered. Then pipe it through word count -l 13,620, yes. So this here is what is running here on HTTPX, trying to see if they run on HTTP or HTTPX. And here we took one of the 200 status code ones and we tried running it with FFuf, which is running here. I don't know if it will finish right now or not. I'll leave it to run so that I can get the results. That's it. That's what we've done today, and also answering some questions. For the ones, where are you from, my guy? I'm Kenyan. Kenyan. That's in Africa. If you don't know where Kenya is, that's in Africa. I answered some questions from Abubakar. I don't know where he went. Maybe probably asleep. He was asking where he can learn HTML and JavaScript. I told him about the Free Code Camp. It's a good place. And also, if you like videos, you can go to Programming with Mosh. He has everything on programming, from Python to C# to, I don't know if he has a Rust. I think he has a Rust also, and maybe Golang also. And then I went over to OverTheWire to show the Natas CTF. It's a good practice. You can practice it just from level 0 to level 34. So that's all we've done today. I want to thank you guys for those who have been from the beginning up to now. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to me. Everything is. If you haven't subscribed, let me try again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also you can like the video if you like it. If you like what I've done today. If you have any other questions, I have the Telegram. I have a Telegram channel. T.me. You can find it in my bio, in the YouTube bio. You can also find my Instagram in the YouTube bio. I guess that's it. So, for now, I'm going to go off stream. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yes, the best programming language, especially for bugbounty, is Python. And maybe Go. Maybe Go. Maybe Go. Golang is also good. Golang is also good. So, thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope that's the spelling for tomorrow. Bye-bye.